today we're going to be talking about the law of sines, which is another nice little law that you can use to figure out unknown angle measurements or unknown side lengths. It's like the law of cosines, except for the law of cosines you need at least 2 known side lengths, but with the law of sines you need at least 1 known side length and at least 2 known angle measurements. So first we're going to go over the law of sines and then we're going to do an example problem. So the law of sines is basically just sine of angle A over side length A is equal to sine angle B over side length B equals sine of angle C over side length C. So it's pretty simple. Alright, now we're going to solve an example problem where we know 2 of the angle measurements and 1 of the side lengths, and 1 of these side lengths is unknown, that's C. So angle B is 64 degrees, angle C is 38 degrees, and side length B is 9. So we're going to solve this using law of sines. So the first step you do is you put in the stuff that you know, and we know the angle B and we know the side length B, so we're going to plug that in. Sine 64 over 9, and now we know the angle measurement of C, but we don't know the side length C, so we're just going to leave C blank. Sine of 38 over C. Now we're going to cross multiply so that we can get C isolated on one side. So first we're going to do sine 64 times C, and then sine 38 times 9. Let me get my calculator. Sine 38 times 9, that equals 5.54095. And then to get C isolated so we can solve for it, we divide this number by sine 64, divided by sine 64. So we end up getting C equals 6.16488. So we have solved for C using law of sines. It makes sense because 38 degrees is less than 64 degrees, so that means that the side length has to be smaller than 9, and it is.